Welcome to a 3-minute gameplay of Find the Lost Kid. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Did you know that this is Roblox Bacon Girl 09?
Yeah, that's my friend.
Okay. Bato pick. Bato pick. Bato pick. Or another round. Bato pick. Bato pick. Okay. Pigit na ako mata. Did you know, viewers, you could like the video or subscribe to. Let's find the lost kid.
Oh, Ole.
Okay, ako next. Okay? Go. Find the lost kid! I'm corrupted. That's not a kid. That's corrupted.
Ha! Got you corrupted.
Ah! Angel, pag naka 2 minutes and 30 seconds, sisigaw ako, tapos magkakanta ko ng ginawa akong video na that's not a kid, that's a corrupted.
Oh, yeah.
Your turn. Roblox Bacon Girl, ikaw na.
Ano?
Ikaw na.
Mag.
Tapos na ako, di ba? Corrupted. Ay, wait lang. ikaw yung naghanap sa akin. Sabi mo, found the kid.
Oh, sige.
And tumakbo kapag sabi ko, run. Okay. Okay, nahanap ko na yung kid. Found the kid.
Found
Go.
the kid.
That's not a kid. That's a corrupted. It's too late. Just run. Oh, why did you choose this game? Oh, why did you make that option? It's too late. Just